Are you tired of sitting in endless traffic jams, dreaming of the day flying cars will be a reality? Well, that future might arrive sooner than you think, and it's happening in China. While the rest of the world watches in awe, China is revolutionizing the way we think about transportation. From jaw-dropping flying cars to record-breaking supercars and futuristic maglev trains, China is pushing the limits of what's possible. Buckle up, because today we're diving into the innovations that are not only reshaping China, but could soon transform how we travel across the globe. Number 1. The rise of Chinese automotive innovation. In recent years, China has surged ahead in the race for advanced transportation. Their rapid advancements in automotive technology are putting traditional car makers on high alert. In just 2 years, China's vehicle exports have skyrocketed. With cutting-edge features like electric powertrains and autonomous driving systems, Chinese brands like Nio, BYD, and Xiaopeng Motors have started producing electric vehicles that challenge even the likes of Tesla. But this isn't just about cars. China's vision includes a future with flying cars and even levitating trains. Imagine skipping the gridlock on the freeway by flying over it, or traveling from one city to another faster than a plane. Let's take a closer look at the game-changing vehicles that are leading this revolution. Number 2. Nio ET9, the super-electric sedan. Nio has become a major player in China's EV market, and the recently unveiled Nio ET9 is their flagship model. Imagine a car with 697 horsepower, a 900-volt electrical architecture, and tech that outshines most luxury cars. This is the ET9. But what's even more mind-blowing is the battery swapping technology, where you can replace your empty battery with a fully charged one in under 5s. No waiting for your EV to charge. Nio's aim is clear. They want to enter the US market by 2025, and the ET9 could be the vehicle to make that happen. The ET9 also introduces steer-by-wire technology, eliminating the need for mechanical links between the steering wheel and tires. This futuristic feature enhances driving precision while reducing the risk of failure. With luxury features, rear-wheel steering, and the ability to recharge at blazing speeds, this is more than just a car. It's a glimpse of what future driving will feel like. Number 3. The suspended maglev train, redefining high-speed travel. But cars aren't the only area where China is pushing the boundaries. Have you ever heard of maglev trains? While many countries are still working on high-speed rail, China's engineers have developed maglev trains that float above tracks using magnetic levitation. In February 2024, one of these trains broke a record by hitting a speed of 623 km/h. Imagine traveling from one city to another in less than half the time it would take on a plane, all without the hassle of airports. The maglev technology eliminates wheels, which means there's no friction, allowing the train to move incredibly fast. These trains could soon become the primary mode of transport for long distances in China, and it's only a matter of time before other countries follow suit. Number 4. Yangwang U8, the floating SUV. Now let's talk about something even crazier. A car that floats on water. Yes, you heard that right. BYD's Yangwang U8 SUV has an emergency flotation feature. Picture this. You're in an off-road situation, crossing a river, or, worst-case scenario, facing a flood. This SUV can float and move forward, giving you 30s of mobility to escape the danger. This isn't just an off-road vehicle, it's a survival tool. The U8 also boasts tank-turning capabilities, meaning it can rotate 360 degrees on the spot, thanks to individual motors controlling each wheel. It's a powerhouse designed for extreme conditions, featuring all-wheel drive, air suspension, and even an autonomous driving system. With a price tag that competes with high-end brands like Land Rover, this is the future of rugged luxury. Number 5. BYD Yangwang U9, the supercar that dances. Now, if you think SUVs are cool, wait until you hear about the Yangwang U9, a supercar that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Not only does this electric car boast an insane 1,287 horsepower, but it's faster than some of the most iconic cars on the planet. We're talking a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.36 seconds. But here's the kicker. This supercar can dance. BYD has introduced a unique feature where the car's suspension system allows it to perform dynamic movements, even jumping off the ground. Imagine a car not just speeding down the road, but also putting on a show. With technology rivaling Ferrari and Bugatti, the U9 is poised to disrupt the supercar market, all at a fraction of the price of its European competitors. Number 6. Hoverboards and two-wheeled EVs. If supercars and SUVs weren't enough, Chinese engineers have also been working on transforming the humble hoverboard into something far more advanced. Meet Shane, a two-wheeled EV concept that combines hoverboard-like technology with the practicality of an electric car. With massive 60-inch rims, this EV isn't just a toy, it's a serious contender for urban mobility. Creator Shane Chen, the inventor of the hoverboard, has designed this vehicle to balance itself at high speeds, offering a futuristic driving experience. With regenerative shocks and potential solar panel integration, it's a vehicle that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but could be on the streets sooner than you think. Number 7. EHang 216, the autonomous drone taxi. But wait, we're not done flying yet. China's EHang 216 is a drone taxi that's already passed airworthiness certifications in China. This unmanned aerial vehicle can carry 2 passengers at once and is designed for urban air mobility. Forget helicopters or private jets. Soon, you might be able to summon a drone taxi to whisk you across the city, no pilot needed. With fully autonomous systems, the EHang 216 relies on 4G and 5G networks to communicate with command centers, ensuring safe and efficient routes. It's fully electric, environmentally friendly, and could revolutionize how we think about short-distance travel in congested urban areas. Number 8. The GAC Gov Flying Car, the future of urban air travel. Flying cars might sound like something out of the Jetsons, but they are becoming a reality. China's GAC is developing the Gov, a flying car capable of vertical takeoff and landing. This electric vehicle can switch between ground driving and flight mode, making it the perfect hybrid for futuristic cities. It can carry 2 passengers, fly up to 3,000 meters high, and offers a cruising speed of 80 km/h in the air. While the Gov is still undergoing tests and regulatory approvals, its first successful flight has already been conducted, marking a significant step toward commercialization. With safety and autonomous features integrated into the design, the flying car era could be closer than you think. The future of transportation is here, and it's happening faster than we ever imagined. From flying cars and maglev trains to dancing supercars, China is leading the charge, leaving the rest of the world playing catch-up. These innovations aren't just about moving faster, they're about rethinking how we travel, how we live, and how we interact with our cities. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself flying above traffic in a GAC Gov or riding in a drone taxi? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic content.